Hi, this is Litre Dental Parts Pro. Today we have a 2019 Foton Tunland, stock number 6751. This ran from the 6th 2018 to the 12th 2020. It has a 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory mega tyre. Left front guard no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory mega tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory mega tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory mega tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,